guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in to another great video. We're going to look here at the Nasdaq 100 and just take a brief second, take a look at the ES futures, just kind of see what's going on. All right, but this video today is primarily about letting you know, are there any day trading secrets that maybe you haven't learned? Maybe you just feel like you're failing on the daily, blowing accounts because you think that there's some holy grail to really opening up the floodgates to allow you to start, becoming a profitable trader. I'm gonna say this right here: the secret to really trading, all right, is being able to read the structure of the market. Okay, I'm just gonna put it out there on the table. If you can master market structure, your trading will take off to a whole nother level. I'm telling you, that's serious stuff, and I'll say that. 90% of what you need to know is really being able to read the market, is market structure. The other 10% is really devising a nice strategy to put together, back testing it to make sure it works so you can become profitable and consistent, all right? But you have to understand, first and foremost, market structure. That's just basic understanding and being able to read the market 100%. Now, I'm not saying you're going to get every trade right every single time. And I'm not here to say that you're going to get or understand or maybe comprehend what the market is trying to do 100%. The institutions, they're going to do what they want to do. The market makers are going to make the market move the way they want it to move, okay? So what I'm here to tell you is that, but if you can understand the flow of the market, the structure of it, you can get into and look for very high probability, viable trades that will allow you to make quick profits out of the market. Understand that, okay? You see me scalping my lower time frame chart lots of times without even taking into consideration the higher time frame, or I'll use my masterful strategy, that a lot of people have picked up on and educate themselves on through watching the videos. Just using multi-chart confluence. That's all it is. All right, marking higher time frame levels or higher base off of higher base charts, okay, and waiting for the market to come back to them, and then just moving down to a lower time frame or a lower base chart and looking for a quote unquote certain setup to take place and look for rejection. Okay, that's the confirmation. I talk about that across the channel in tons and tons of videos. So please take the time to watch the videos. All right. That is primarily the strategy that I stress so much on this channel. Multi-chart confluence. Okay, it's imperative. Lots of people who are followers, who are Discord members, who are loyal members of this community, and I thank the masses of you guys for leaving positive comments. I love it. I really appreciate you guys. A lot of you are mirroring and picked up on the way I trade, tweaked it and made it your own. You guys know that's powerful stuff, what I'm trying to explain and express here, and your trading has taken off. So I commend you guys and congrats, 100%. All right, so, but yeah, I mean, ultimately market structure is everything. Understand that. There's no holy grail secret in trading. People think that so much that, hey, I got to pay $1,000 for this course to understand and grasp this secret. So my trading I can go from zero to become a hero, making $10,000 a month. There's no secret. The secret, if you really want to know, which is really no secret, is the fact it's just market structure. It's a two-word term. Understand that, and then all you have to do is devise a nice strategy, put together and develop a trading plan, and your trading will take off. Okay? Make it personalized, what I'm trying to say. But hopefully in today's video, we can really just kind of hone in on and maybe get into a few trades. I'm not sure right now. The markets are ranging, as you can see here. We are breaking to the downside here on the Nasdaq after having to move to the upside here. Now we're starting to make structural breaks to the downside. So my bias right now is short, okay? And looking at the direction of the market on the Nasdaq. The ES, my bias is bullish at this point because we are making higher highs and higher lows, meaning breaking structure completely to the upside. We took out a major high here, so we broke a major area of structure to the upside into yesterday's trading session, made this high up here, and haven't done anything since. So maybe we'll get this pullback to this key area of demand off the higher time frame, and maybe it will unfold for a beautiful trade setup. So that's that on the ES futures, okay? Or maybe you're trading the micro ES futures. All right, so I'm into a short trade right here on my lower time frame here. Hopefully I can get filled here. We'll see if the market continues running lower, or what it's going to aim to do. Okay, so we'll see what happens. I'm looking for it to come down here and test around the 40, 43, 44, 45 area. Just looking at the higher time frame. The market is, you can see, it's in a channel to the downside here. So for all those that are having a hard time seeing kind of like a channel to the downside, I kind of draw it for you. Maybe you can see that to the downside, swinging to the lower, making lower lows and lower highs, kind of bouncing around right now. So I'm kind of watching this trade kind of unfold and see what happens. So let's see what this bad boy is going to do. If this is going to kind of teeter around, or I'm not really keen on the structure of the market. I mean, not structure, but the price action so far today, and really what's unfolding here, taking place. But yeah, this is a long opportunity. I mean, excuse me, a short opportunity. Trying to fill in down here to this area here. So we'll see what happens. I may take it out early if we kind of start bouncing around too much. But hopefully it comes down here and fills in the area I'm looking for it to come down and fill in at. So we'll see here. I'm going to hold it. Hopefully this trade works out. So hopefully you guys understand this trade here. I think I'm going to take out at oh, there it goes, pulling back. Okay. All right, let's see what happens here. What's it bouncing off? I'm gonna stay in the trade now. I think I might take a point off at 10 points or so. Okay. Look at it. Okay, I'm gonna close this position out. All right, close it out because it hit that area where I was targeting for. Okay, so I picked up profit really nice on that trade right there. I think about 10, maybe 11 points on that last contract. Okay, so beautiful trade setup. Pull back to this area right here, which it is a area of supply. You can see it right here. We got it pushed down, pull back. Market runs lower, break structure right there to the downside. Okay, there's a imbalance or gap resting back at the area of supply. Talk about that many times in the video. So please, again, imbalances are crucial. So I was aiming for and look at the higher time frame, the imbalance back down to this area right here. After, just paying attention to price action on the higher time frame in the structure. Lower lows and lower highs to the downside, breaking structure, pulling back, rejecting to push higher and take out any areas of internal or minor area structure back to the upside, rejecting inside this swing, and then I said, okay, it's rejecting, it's hitting this small little area or swing right here. It pushed up to it, couldn't push through it, so then I start looking at my lower time frame to see if we start showing signs of weakness and rejection back to the downside. Watch it come down here and hit this area right here at 43. Watch it. What are we at now? Boom, hit it, right? 43. I said that just a moment ago in the video. So this is stuff that I'm talking about and how powerful understanding market structure is. That is your secret, okay? That is the sauce to the recipe that you need to cook up if you really want to start gaining quick profits here in the market, okay? Becoming a consistent trader, all right? So I just looked for a setup where the market was breaking structure to the downside on my lower time frame chart. So it broke here, broke this area structure, pulled back, broke more structure. On the lower time frame, once I see a low, lower high, lower low, or even it doesn't matter the chart, meaning it was a high, whether it's a higher or lower base chart. I'm just saying what tips my mind to start looking for shorts, knowing that we're already bearish on the higher time frame or higher base chart, is looking for a confirmation to let me know the market's trying to run lower, and then looking for a pullback to a key area of supply, in this case right here, where there's an imbalance at, okay, where there's a gap resting at, and then take it lower, looking at my higher time frame, working on take it down to 44, 43, or 443, I should say, 17,443, okay? And again, now we're just moving sideways. So I just want to show you that being able to read the structure of the market, even if, looks like we're ranging here, the higher base chart, the higher time frame is to the downside. So what I'm going to do is for that particular trade there, I'm going to post over in the private section for all those who are the elite channel supporters or elite channel members. If you have joined, which we have tons of you guys, and I thank each and every one of you for joining, and because you want that added value, you want those trade breakdowns where I'm going into detail and discussion that my breakdowns of trades, okay, so that you understand why I took certain trades, all centered and surrounded around supply and demand, because that's how I trade, okay? That's the cornerstone of how I make my profits, make my money daily, okay? But I'm going to make a video breaking this trade down so that you know exactly why I took this trade, all right? I kind of gave you a hint right here in this video here. But for all those that are interested in joining and becoming an elite channel supporter, all you got to do is click on the join button. It's $6.99 a month. That's all it is. All you're doing is supporting me as a content creator. But better yet, and in return, I should say, you're receiving perks and rewards like the trade breakdowns, the video playlist. I'm getting ready to put another video or two on that playlist today. But they're hand-selected videos covering the core of how I actually trade, the strategy, go into detail, talk about the things that you need to know regarding to my personal trading and how I do so. Okay, I'm not a teacher, an educator, or a mentor. I'm just simply doing this because I want to see people become consistent, profitable traders. All right, and we have tons of them that have been watching this video, these videos, and following the channel for months and months and months. Thank you for all your support. We have tons of them who are also members of the Discord community. And if you do not believe and you want to find out for yourself if becoming an elite channel supporter helps out, come on to the Discord. It's free. Find the link to the Discord down in the description portion of the video. Find the link to become a elite member by simply, it's a link right under in the description portion, right under the Discord link. You'll see a link to become an elite member. You'll see 2 tiers pop up. Make sure to click on and select the one that says elite channel supporter or elite channel member. $6.99 a month. I'm sure most of you probably spend more than that daily on just one of your favorite beverages or sandwiches or whatever the case is. All right. So we're talking about pennies on a dollar on the day to helping you understand the way I trade, as well as so many others that trade similar to the style of how I actually trade. But that's all I have for you guys today. This is going to be a brief video. Just want to a trade, talk about, hey, are there any secrets to, becoming to day trading? No, it's just market structure. Understand that and put together and develop a solid trading plan with a solid trading strategy, and you will be successful, okay? But I'm going to jump off here, but before I do, make sure that you become a subscriber by clicking on the sub button. Go ahead and click on it right now. Also, make sure to turn on all your post notifications by clicking on the bell so that you never miss one of the uploads. And the most important thing, please drop a like on the video, okay? It helps out the channel. It helps out for the algorithm to see that, hey, these videos, trust me, the videos are helping people out, but it helps, me spread the word of what I'm trying to share and how the correct way of going about trading, well, at least in my eyes, okay, supply and demand, so that other people can gain access to this material too, because it gets out there in the algorithm on YouTube, and YouTube starts feeding it out to individuals, to people, okay, especially those that are searching for great trading strategies or great trading information, or to find the secret, the end-all trading secret, okay? So anyways, go ahead and smack that like button. I appreciate each and every one of you. Again, if you want to join the Discord, the link's down in the description. If you want to join and become an elite channel member to gain access to all that private content, click on the join button that you see right here in front of you, somewhere near the share or download button, or you can find the link down underneath the Discord link in the description portion of the video. Sayonara. I'll see everyone in the next video. I'm going to try to pick up, get back into my trading here, okay? Take care.